Want to speak English more fluently? In this video, you'll practice 10 sentences that English speakers use every single day. Repeat after me. Let's speak together. Good morning. How did you sleep? Good morning. How did you sleep? Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get a coffee, please? I'm running a bit late. I'm running a bit late. What's your plan for today? What's your plan for today? Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. That sounds great. That sounds great. I'm not sure. Let me check. I'm not sure. Let me check. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. You did great. Practice this every day and you'll speak more naturally and confidently. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which sentence you'll use today.